Loveland! Welcome to Loveland's Latest, where each month we're sharing 5 things happening around the city that you need to know. Number 5 is 3 things to do in July. Parks and Recreation has a week of fun scheduled from July 12th through the 18th, including a free swim day at Winona Pool. lovegov.org/parks and recreation has more info about all the activities. The Rialto Theater is hosting multiple summer concerts at the Foot Lagoon at 500 East 3rd Street in July. Check out the full lineup at go.lovegov.org/summerconcerts. Mark your calendar for Stories in the Sky, a spectacular drone show happening during the Lamar County Fair after the rodeo on August 2nd. Check out visitloveland.com for more info. Number 4 is a proud moment for the City of Loveland as the finance team earned the 2024 Triple Crown Award for the Government Finance Officers Association, recognizing excellence in financial reporting and budgeting. Loveland is among fewer than 5% of local governments in the U.S. to receive all 3 required awards, reflecting a commitment to transparency, accountability, and excellence. Number 3, the City of Loveland invites residents to participate in the National Community Survey. Share your thoughts on Loveland's local economy, transportation, community design, utilities, safety, and overall livability. Responses are confidential. The survey is open July 6th through the 27th. Learn more at lovegov.org/community survey. Number 2. The Great Colorado Time Capsule is a statewide initiative celebrating the USA's 250th and Colorado's 150th anniversaries. Coloradans are invited to connect with Loveland and future generations by submitting personal stories or artifacts representing life in 2026 to be included within the capsule, which will be buried at the Ranch Events Complex until 2076. Go to visitloveland.com for more info. Number 1. The Loveland Emergency Communications Center has earned national recognition as an accredited center of excellence in emergency medical dispatching. First accredited in 2007, the center has consistently held up the highest standards through rigorous evaluations and an ongoing commitment to excellence. This prestigious distinction, held by less than 10% of dispatch centers worldwide, highlights nearly 2 decades of exceptional service, professionalism, and dedication to providing life-saving support and protecting our community. That will do it for this edition of Loveland's Latest. For more news and events, sign up for the city's e-newsletter or visit lovegov.org/citynews. Thanks for joining us, Loveland. Until next time.